My attraction to photography actually really reflects my interest in people. I really want to get to know people more. I want to see what their enigma is. I like creating different worlds where those people can exist. Overall, I think my style is pretty clean. I want to focus on the character, on the emotion, on the feeling. I'm the kind of photographer who doesn't like to rush, but at the same time, when I start shooting, I shoot pretty fast. As a medium format lens, I find this GF80mm1.7 lens quite compact. I like shooting handheld, so I move around a lot. So I really appreciate that this lens is actually not so heavy, and compared to other lenses of a similar focal length, it's very easy to use. When you work with people, what is really important is the right emotion. My job as a photographer is to get that out of my subject. So the lens that provides an opportunity to actually go as wide as 1.7 f-stop, it really helps me. And when I focus on the eyes of my subject, the eyes stay sharp, and then everything else can stay soft and out of focus and don't interfere with that feeling. I've used other lenses with a wider aperture before, and you kind of know what they are. When I put this one on, it blew my mind. It just did not look like a photograph. The softness of the background is just unbelievably smooth. It just looks like a painting. This is the true beauty of medium format combined with such a beautiful lens.